Hi, I'm Christa with artisticvegan.com, and today we are going to be making Stromboli, a delicious recipe that you are going to just love and adore. It is so good. Let's go in the kitchen and make it. To get started, add the active dry yeast with some warm water and coconut sugar. Give that a mix and set aside for 10 minutes until it's foamy. Then you can combine the dry ingredients, some oat flour, potato starch, rice flour, along with a little bit of flax meal to hold it all together, and some salt. Then mix that up and create a well in the center. To that, you want to add avocado oil or pumpkin puree for oil-free with the yeast mixture. Then mix that together to create a nice dough, adding more flour as needed, and knead that until it creates your dough. Add a little bit of oil to a clean bowl, swirl your dough around to cover it, and then place a clean towel on top and rise for 1 hour. Then you can create your filling, which is some TVP. You could also use my pecan base with some soy sauce, some oil, or you could pass on the oil, some oregano, salt, cayenne, and paprika with some thyme and hot water. And then you'll just want to mix that together and set it aside for about 10 to 20 minutes for the water to absorb. Then prepare your vegetables, which is some red bell pepper, mushrooms, and red onions. Saute the red onions for a minute or so. Add in the red bell pepper and the mushrooms. Give that a mix with a pinch of salt. Adding in your garlic and parsley, along with some oregano, basil, and salt. And then mix that together. Then you want to heat the TVP for about 5 minutes to remove any moisture. Then take your dough that's risen and roll it out. I used a piece of parchment paper, then put a little bit of flour on top, put the dough on there with some more flour, another piece of parchment paper, and then roll it out until it's about 8 by 6 inches and 1/4 inch thick, or a nice big rectangle. Then you want to put some pizza sauce of choice on top, spreading it out, leaving about 1 inch border. And then you also want to add the TVP mixture on top of that, creating layers of flavor. Then next is your favorite vegan cheese. I'm experimenting with one here, along with some sauteed vegetables. So you can place those on there, and then the rest of your TVP, or as much as you like, and then some more vegan cheese on top of that. And then take your parchment paper, pull it up with the dough and fold it over, and then fold it again, making almost a burrito. And then you want to seal the ends, pressing them together and pinching them. Then create your glaze, which is avocado oil, or you could use coconut milk and then a little bit of coconut sugar and some nutritional yeast. And then you want to sprinkle a little bit of oregano on top, and look at that. Now place that in your oven that's been preheating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake it for about 25 minutes or until it's nice and golden. Here it is. Doesn't that look delicious? It smells heavenly too. Then you can slice into it after it's cooled for about 20 minutes, and you can also opt to add a little bit of avocado oil and fresh parsley on top just for a little bit of beauty, but you don't have to. And you can slice this into about 8 pieces or as desired, and it's fantastic to serve to guests or just to your family and loved one. It freezes well and it tastes delicious. I think you're really gonna love this recipe. You can go and get it at artisticvegan.com. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Bye.
Nothing makes me feel more restored than time in nature and my alchemical elixir of the Anunnaki. Get yours today at geraldclock77.com or artisticvegan.com.